Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know we got something cool from CJRB back on the channel. Now, yeah, I know. This is what they like to do. They give you that little nomenclature. But this one is the Tigris. Now, I got it because of the black on that like powder blue. Alright, camera dump, so back it up a little. Like I said, I'm getting more into carrying pocket cleaver kind of style blades, but I probably should have paid attention to the overall stats on this thing before I got it, but it still is a pretty cool blade, and here we go with the fun stuff. It's got an overall length of about 8.5 inches, the blade's 3.5, which means closed it's about 5 inches. It's got an okay weight to it of 6.35 ounces. Now, per CJRB, it's cleaver style. Per Blade HQ, it's sheep's foot. I'm going to let you make up your own mind on that one, okay? We do have a plain edge with a flat grind, and the steel on this one, it's that weird one that they like to use. It's that Alpha Romeo Romeo Papa Mike 9 steel. AR RPM 9 steel. It's kind of like a powdered steel, which combines the best of D2 and like some high-end stainless steel, I believe they said. It gives it great, edge retention, corrosion resistance, that kind of stuff. It also has a Rockwell rating of 59 to 61. We do have a black PVD coating on the blade, not to mention all throughout, like on the stainless steel frame, which has that wonderful little liner lock. We do have a flipper open on this guy, and it does have ceramic ball bearing pivot, so generally it opens up pretty smoothly. But it is still kind of new, and yeah, I had some slight little issues carrying this thing and some other crap, but I'll explain that in a moment. We do have dual tone G10 scales, that little powder blue and the black down here. I like that overall look of it. Now, there's only one way to carry this thing, right hand carry, tip up, and oh yeah, we do have a lanyard hole. In case you were curious, yes, it is made in China. This thing was hard to get into, well, I should say get into carrying, because it's really big, it's really bulky to me, when it was in my pocket, and I could feel it constantly slapping my thigh. And after about 10 minutes of walking around a local Walmart, I knew I had to pull that blade out, or I was just going to go insane right there inside the store. Now, somebody like Bill Rivers might like seeing that on CNN, but still, love you, Bill. All right, guys, let's get on to the cut test like we usually do here on the channel. Now, we usually only do 3. Why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. There's going to be a card for why do the cut tests. First up, heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, I expected that. Let's see if we can get a curly Q. Well, not as good as I would have liked, but still, not bad. The reason why I like to do those curly Qs is anybody can just come along and go sharp. But if you maintain that edge angle and go really slowly and pull that blade, paper should start to curl back in on itself like that. That's to show you there's like no micro abrasions, edge chips, pitting, any of that fun stuff. Alright, here we go. Struggle test. A moment ago I smacked the camera in a review I was filming. Let's see what I can do today, right? Okay. Pull. And yes, it is that same paracord that's been giving me so much damn trouble. Oh, thank you, Tigris. You just made my day. I may go back to carrying you. Slice. Pretty clean, too. Okay, Mr. Ratchet Strap. No problem. Oh, wait, nope, no problem. Okay. And as we usually do, let's check that blade out. Hardly any snowfall on that blade. Doesn't look like anything rolled, chipped, or anything. So, okay, we're good there. Now, I did the homework on this guy on September 3rd, 2021, and it's currently September 9th, 2021. I found it on Amazon, CJRB's website, which is basically Artisan Cutlery, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, it was sold out with a price tag of $79.95. CJRB $63.98, and Amazon $59.95 Prime eligible. It was not reviewed on CJRB. It has one review on Blade HQ, and it's got a 5 out of 5. And over on Amazon, it's been reviewed 42 times for a 4.5 out of 5 star rating. Now here we are at the fun part of the video. Seriously, this is one of my favorite parts of these videos. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below in the comment section. Do you think this guy is a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I'm kind of in the middle on it. I like the look of it. I like the coloration of it. I like the fit and finish. But I didn't like the carry. So I'm right on that fence with this blade. Don't regret buying it. Not sure when I'm going to carry it again. Now, with that fun stuff being said, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you have lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose my channel. Now, if at any point during this video I made you smile or maybe even taught you something, give me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm. That way we're going to be able to get out there and see some other people and might be able to grow a little bit. But still, that's always fun, right? Okay, now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to get, well, I should say to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below in the comment section. You never know how your comment may change the course of history of this channel. After you've done all that fun stuff, look down here in that corner in a moment. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. Why? Great question. Because it's going to take you right to subscribe. See, one click, easy access. After you knock that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much out there on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CJRB Tigris. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day. I'll see all of you in our very next video.